And some of the software majors have announced job cuts across the board, and that has really affected employees who are now knocking on the doors of the Labour Commissioner in various states. Chandra Srikanth here with more details from Bangalore. And Chandra, up in arms, rightly so, for the employees, but what really can the government do in this kind of a scenario?
From what we understand by talking to people in the industry, there's really little that the government can do, because remember, software employees are not classified as workmen under the Labour Ministry, so they really cannot interfere. They are defined as knowledge workers. Also remember, these companies are not calling this layoffs. In fact, they've gone out of their way to call it separation, to call it performance-related separation, because the government can interfere only if these are classified as layoffs. So that's the technical part. But clearly employees are an unhappy lot, a very worried lot, because we are seeing this happen across the board, be it Infosys, be it Cognizant, be it Wipro. Now a group of employees have already knocked on the doors of Labour Commissioner in Chennai, in Hyderabad for Cognizant, and the Hyderabad Labour Commissioner has in fact even summoned Cognizant for an explanation. We have to wait and see if these group of employees will also take up what Infosys and Wipro have done, but clearly IT sector going through a lot of pain due to a combination of reasons: a weak business environment, protectionism that's making them hire more in the US. So we really have to wait and see how this will shape up going forward.